Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Dre's YouTube channel. Today I wanted to take the time to help you guys identify your primary and secondary trends when it comes to stocks and charting them. The charting application that we will be using is TradingView, and the actual stock that we will be identifying the primary and secondary trend for is the ES, which is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. All right, so we're going to get straight to the point. I don't want this video to be too long. So first, I will start from a 1 month view because I want to get a big picture view of my stock. So, excuse me, from a 1 month picture, we see that looking back, we'll just start from right here in 2009 March. We've been in an uptrend. We took a somewhat breather in 2010, uptrend, a breather in 2011, uptrend, and ultimately you see that this stock has been in an uptrend. So from the jump, we see that the primary trend is up. So what we want to do is identify the bottoms. We got a bottom right here. See, we took a breather. You could argue that that's a small bottom. We got a bottom here, and you could say that this is a small bottom. So knowing that, scroll over to here. Now that we have these three bottoms right here, we can put ourselves a trend line, which I personally put my trend lines at the very bottom of a wick. However, to each his own. When it comes to charting, it can be very subjective. Where I put my trend lines may be slightly different from where the guy right next to me puts his trend lines, and we could be looking at the exact same stock. Primarily what you want to do is identify the most obvious trend lines. You got to look at it as you are trading against a market with, you're trading against computers that are just trading based off of algorithms, and also retailers that are trying to identify those algorithms or follow those algorithms so that they can profit in the process of those computers making such big trades. So with that being said, I would say focus on the most obvious bottoms and highs whenever you make your trend, so that you don't find yourself, it's not a game of trying to figure something out that nobody else knows. Is really, if you're enjoying this video, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button and help us reach our first 50 likes on our video. Thank you. A lot of money is moving, and you want to take the little money that you're willing to put at risk to, capitalize on some gains and take your money and leave. So with that being said, primary trend is up. And so we will zoom in now to a 1 week chart. And from here, we got a closer view of it, but you can see that it is still legit. This trend still holds true, that the primary trend is north. And we will zoom into a 1 day chart, and this is where we could start to our secondary trends start to stand out a little more. So from the last time that we hit our primary trend line, which was March of 2020, we was going up. Right here, we caught just a tiny bit of consolidation in this little area right here. And so in this time frame from, let's say, November of 21 to January of 2022, you would say that the primary trend was really flat. We was trading sideways within a zone, a high being roughly 4,800, 4,818, low being 4,500 ish. After that, we started to sell off, which in this case, that would mean the secondary trend was secondary trend was down. We were selling off. So from January of 2022, the E-mini future sold off until October of 2022 before it started to catch a bounce. And so from October of 2022, we have we were actually trading sideways, and then as of recently, we are finally breaking out of this sideways trading that we've been in. So as of this past Friday, our secondary trend is now following suit with the primary trend, which is going up. If you enjoyed this video and found any of this information useful, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It certainly helps this page out a lot. With that being said, please be on the lookout for the next video where we'll be pointing out how to identify support and resistance lines. Remember, I am just here to share some ingredients. It is up to you to create the recipe for your journey to financial freedom. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.